Hello, this is Lou from Enormis Mobile Specialties in Erie, Pennsylvania. Today we have a 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Look closely, top of that spare tire right there. That is where we have a rear camera mounted. It's nice and high, it's away from the road salt and grime. And then it's going to be displayed through the factory existing Jeep stereo infotainment system, whatever you want to call it. Put the vehicle in reverse. You get a nice rear image there. There are guidelines that help you back up to a particular object. Always check your mirrors and make sure everything is safe when you are backing up. And that's the system. And we have these systems available for other vehicles too. It could be Ford, it could be Dodge, GM, Chevy. Please give us a call. We are in northwestern Pennsylvania. We have no parts to ship anyone. We do need the vehicle.